Around a year ago now, my colleagues on the board of management and myself started as an almost new team. And it didn't take long for us to agree on doing everything we can to make sure Audi comes through this crisis stronger than ever. So with responsible crisis management and above all, with a strong team effort from all Audi employees, we managed to end this challenging year successfully. And 2020 was not wasted for us. In recent months, we have laid the foundation to bring innovations to our customers even faster. And the transformation at Audi has picked up some major speed. We will continue down this road with a clear focus on e-mobility, strong collaboration with the VW Group, and a culture that really drives Vorsprung. A few weeks ago, we proved with the e-tron GT that e-mobility really can be fun. And we are offering emotional and very attractive cars suitable for everyday use. This is our part in getting electromobility on the road. And with the e-tron GT and the Q4 e-tron, more than half of our new launches at Audi in 2021 will be electrified. And we're also doubling the number of all-electric models now. And we are expanding our range of plug-in hybrids to more than a dozen. And this means that more than 80% of our product lines will be electrified. So we are systematically driving ahead with our e-roadmap. And despite the pandemic, certainly, we are sticking to our CO2 targets.
"2020 was a challenge for us, for all of us. The corona crisis demanded an unprecedented effort from our society, our industry and our company. And this is also reflected in our business results. In the first half year, the lockdown, falling customer demand and interrupted supply chains led to a decline in sales. But we reacted quickly and decisively to the pandemic. Thanks to a strong second half year, we were able to reduce our volume losses significantly. Looking at the full year, vehicle deliveries to customers were only around 8% below the previous year and equaled 1.7 million. Positive momentum came from a strong demand for the Audi e-tron, from the carefully organized restart of production with the focus on the health and safety of our employees and a ramp up in digital sales concepts. Sales revenue amounted to about 50 billion euros in 2020, and the operating result was 2.6 billion euros. Operating return on sales came in at 5.1%. And last but not least, net cash flow reached a high level at 4.6 billion euros, reflecting our strict management of investment and cost. However, we made no compromises when it came to product substance and gave consistent priority to future-related projects. Against the background of this corona crisis, we believe these results are quite an achievement. They demonstrate the robustness of the Audi brand. We look to 2021 with cautious optimism. But one thing is certain, it will remain a challenge. Developments related to the corona pandemic are hard to predict. Another risk arises from a supply of semiconductors in the entire automotive industry. Our effort is to minimize the operational implications of the current shortage and to compensate as far as possible over the course of the year. Nevertheless, in 2021, we aim to carry over the strong momentum of the year-end. Our aim is to grow both in terms of deliveries of the Audi brand and in terms of sales revenue. We expect an operating return on sales between 7 and 9% based on our extraordinary product momentum. And we will continue the path of cost and investment discipline. To support our ambitious plans concerning electrification and digitalization, we will focus on research and development. To finance this transition, we plan to further optimize structural investment. The economic scaling up of electromobility is an important pillar of our future success. For this purpose, Audi is using synergies across the group and relying on platform across brands. A decisive factor in the challenging year of 2020 was team spirit. Thanks to the excellent cooperation across all business units, we were able to significantly limit the negative effects of the corona crisis. For this, I would really say thank you to the whole Audi team. We've taken numerous measures to secure our processes and our liquidity. At all times, health and safety of all employees at Audi were of central importance. Our Audi transformation plan and Audi Zukunft basic agreement have made their contributions to the overall result. The performance in 2020 has shown the substance of the Audi brand.